Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Staradoup and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's the 12th of December today, Monday, and in our today's review we'll discuss first one more opinion on the point of Bitcoin's falling to $5,000 already next year. Then micro Bitcoin wallets still accumulate Bitcoins while Bitcoin whales sell them. And in the end, we will find out whether Bitcoin managed to continue the bullish movement over the weekend or not. Let's start. We will start with an article by Paolo Greco and one more opinion on that very significant Bitcoin's falling. This time, this opinion of the company Standard Chartered, which provides various financial services, and Paula emphasizes that it is not an investor in Bitcoin, which is very important. So the company said that the first cryptocurrency in the world could fall to $5,000 over the next year. According to company's experts, the increased profitability of treasury bonds and bank deposits could cause an even bigger wave of sales, leading to a string of bankruptcies in the cryptocurrency sector, which would cause an even bigger drop in the Bitcoin. The company additionally thinks that many investors may purposefully undervalue prices. There are growing indications that the crypto winter will last a considerable time. And according to Standard Chartered, many cryptocurrency exchanges find that they lack liquidity, which seriously undermines investor confidence in digital assets. And according to experts, the domino effect worked following the demise of FTX cryptocurrency exchange, and numerous cryptocurrency projects are still in process of crumbling. Also, if gold continues to rise in price in the near future, Bitcoin may also crash. In 2023, investors will increasingly favor safe assets due to the unpredictability of the global economy and geopolitics. Okay. And now let's move on to technical picture and the article by Artem Petrenko. So Artem wrote this article before the weekend, made a forecast, and we will see whether it was true or not. So he says that before that, Bitcoin spent a few days in sideways movement, gradually declining to the danger zone. But later on, the buyers managed to keep control of the price movement and consolidate above 17,000. The main factor for growth was the activation of buyers and the final completion of the capitulation phase by mining companies. And according to Glassnode, the number of addresses with a balance of 0.1 and 1 Bitcoin, the smallest wallets, has set a new high. However, the overall situation remains tense due to the uncertainty of Gemini and Genesis, which are likely to collapse soon. And thus large investors take their time or even abandon investments in cryptocurrencies. Thus, Canadian pension fund CPP Investment has abandoned the idea of investing in cryptocurrencies. The main reason for this was the collapse of FTX. Meanwhile, around 33 whales whose capital reaches from 1,000 to 100,000 Bitcoin have distributed more than 20,000 Bitcoin in the last 96 hours. This indicates the continuation of the capital distribution phase, which is necessary for the final formation of the local bottom. In addition, there are significant cash caps among the largest mining players. This means a high probability of the next stage of the sale from Bitcoin miners. Meanwhile, Bitcoin resumed its correlation with stock market, and its upward movement is going in parallel with the US stock market. If we look at the chart, what can we see? Let me remind you that the article was written on Friday. Bitcoin managed to consolidate above the 17,000 level thanks to the successful defense of the 16,800, 17,000 range. And as a result, a false breakdown of this support zone took place, which as a result provoked the activation of buyers. At the same time, the cryptocurrency did not manage to go beyond the triangle, but we should expect another round of activation of buyers. And the main resistance level remains the 17,600 line, where large sales volumes are concentrated. Bitcoin technical metrics have moved into local consolidation after bullish momentum. This is a confirmation that the upward trend is weak despite growing on-chain activity. So as a result, Artem says that Bitcoin, thanks to the support of stock market and the upcoming New Year holidays, is showing the beginnings of an uptrend. However, for the final confirmation of the bullish intentions, the cryptocurrency needs to break above 17,600 level. In this case, the price will continue to retest the 18,000 and further to 18,400 levels. However, it is important to note that the upward movement must be accompanied by a parallel increase in on-chain activity. Otherwise, it will mean another major manipulation of market makers. Well, let's look at the chart for the moment, and we'll see whether it managed to go up or not. So today, the 12th of December, and what can we see? All the weekend, as usual, Bitcoin almost didn't move anywhere. It was hovering around 17,170, 160, and so on. And at the end of yesterday, it went down. It went down from 17,200 and below 17,000, and it already opened today at the point of 16,980. And now at the moment of the publication, it is trading at 16,912. So what can we say? That Bitcoin didn't manage to go above that very 17,600. On the contrary, it went down. And how far down, we will find out the next few days, I think. So this is all for today. I wish you, as usual, profitable trading. I will be glad to see your comments and questions down below. And see you next time in our next review tomorrow. Goodbye.